Subscribe Prudent Social Media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
ये पैशा पासत जो चर्चिल आज 50 करोड आपण घेन टीएमसी शिफ्ट जाला तेच भाशेन तेगेले चोडवान 50 करोड घेऊन तेका थिंग शिफ्ट केला. हे कित चल्ला लोकांन मॅन्डेट दिल्लो तो मॅन्डेट तुका पयशे घेऊन वचपाक दिल्लो.
I would like to tell the Aam Aadmi Party candidate that please do not use and accuse a mass-paced leader like Mr. Churchill with corruption and lack of integrity. And be very careful because we may take you to court for defamation. You may have to prove what you are saying. And I want to tell Mr. Wenzi Vegas another thing, that you use captain in your name. Before his name, he writes the word captain. So why haven't you written captain in your election material? And I'm challenging you that please show us the relevant document. That how are you using the word, are you in the Navy? Which position did you hold? What? Please do tell us that. और चर्चिल साहब के बारे में जबान संभाल के मुंह खोलिएगा क्योंकि हम मानहानि का केस करेंगे, वो भी क्रिमिनल. ये ममता बनर्जी की पार्टी है, इसको लाइटली मत लीजिए, हम कांग्रेस नहीं है.
My friend Sushmita taken the name of that person. I never taken his name also. He is a crazy guy. Put it that, and I tell my party must go for the deformation list. It's very bad.
And a loan of up to 20 lakhs with 4% interest for young people. So if a young person like yourself gets this loan, you start a business, you have an income, and then you employ 10 other people. So this is itself an employment creating scheme. और एक चीज मैं कह दूं, तृणमूल कांग्रेस झूठ नहीं बोलती, भारतीय जनता पार्टी झूठ पे झूठ बोलती है और सरकार पे आने के बाद अपने वादे भूल जाती है. तृणमूल कांग्रेस अपने वादे भूलती नहीं है. अगर आप वेस्ट बंगाल की तरफ देखेंगे, ये जो स्कीम्स ममता दीदी यहाँ देने का वादा कर रही है, वो बंगाल में हम कर चुके हैं.